We type a website name like www.example.com into our web browser. We press enter. Boom! The website appears on our screen. Isn't it amazing how quickly it all happens? It's like magic, but it's not. It's thanks to something called DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System. You can think of it as a giant phone book for the internet. Just like we use names to find people's phone numbers, DNS helps computers find websites using their domain names. Every website on the internet has a unique address made up of numbers. This is called an IP address. It's like a street address for a house, but for websites. Computers use these IP addresses to find and connect to each other. But remembering long strings of numbers is hard for us humans. That's where DNS comes in. It acts as a translator, converting easy-to-remember domain names like google.com, into IP addresses that computers understand. Let's break down how DNS works when you type in a website address. 1. Your browser checks its cache. Your browser first checks if it remembers the IP address from a previous visit to the website. If it does, it can connect directly. 2. Asking the DNS server. If the IP address isn't in the cache, your browser asks a DNS server for help. Think of a DNS server like a directory assistance service for the internet. 3. Finding the right server. The DNS server checks its records to find the correct IP address for the domain name you typed. It might need to ask other DNS servers for help. 4. Connecting to the website. Once the IP address is found, the DNS server sends it back to your browser. Your browser then uses this address to connect to the website's server and download the web page. DNS is super important for a fast, secure, and reliable internet experience. But sometimes, DNS problems can occur, leading to error messages like DNS_probe_finished_NX domain. This usually means the DNS server couldn't find the website you're looking for. If you encounter this, try these simple fixes. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Clear your browser cache. This forces your browser to request a fresh IP address from the DNS server. Restart your router and computer. This can help resolve temporary glitches. DNS works tirelessly behind the scenes to make our internet browsing seamless and enjoyable. It's a testament to human ingenuity in making complex technology work effortlessly for us. So, the next time you load a website in the blink of an eye, remember the magic of DNS. Think about it. How often do you think about DNS when you're browsing the internet? It's amazing how such a critical process happens without us even realizing it.